Welcome to Connect. Connect is an online student engagement platform that allows students to promote and browse for events, to find organizations based on their interests, to budget for pre-existing events, and much, much more. Logging into Connect is simple. Just use your Marian email and password. Once logged in, you will arrive at the Connect homepage. On this page, you can search for specific events and organizations. If you are already a member of one or multiple student orgs, they will appear under My Memberships to provide quick access to their pages. On the homepage, you can also see a preview of events that are happening soon. You also have the option of seeing recent news updates. Scrolling back to the top, click on the Events tab. Here, you can see all events that have been entered into Connect by student organizations. As you can see, there is something almost every day. For each of the events, you can see the title, date, time, and location of the event. If you click on an event, you can see a short description, any free things that might be provided at the event, like food, and any other events that are hosted by that organization. You can also RSVP to the event if you know you will be attending. On the events homepage, you can search for specific events or events that fall under certain parameters. Now onto the Organizations tab. Here, you can browse all approved student organizations on campus. Click on an org to see more information about their mission statement, any forums that might be currently active, all upcoming events that this organization is hosting, and all officers of the student organization. You can contact any of these students or advisors with questions you might have about that organization. Under the News tab, you can see recent news articles. And finally, under the Forms tab, you can browse through currently active forms that you are able to submit responses to. These can be anything from voting for Homecoming King and Queen to signing up for a talent show. As you can see, Connect is a fun and easy way to find cool events on campus. If you have any specific questions about how to use Connect, come to Clara Hall 148 to have them all answered.